Alright, so I'm making us some low-calorie homemade cheesecake cups. Just gonna crush your graham crackers up. Again, I don't know how much graham cracker crush you like at the bottom. I like a lot of crust, baby.
Me too.
So, first step. First step, allow your husband to try out the graham crackers and then crush them in here.
Approved.
Approved? All right, next step is I took some Greek yogurt and I mixed it with some whipped cream cheese, but I used mixed berry. That was a game changer, mixing these two together. And I put it in this cup to mix it well. And all you're going to do is top your graham crackers with this cream cheese and yogurt filling. And that's going to soften up those crackers for the perfect bite.
It ain't going to take us a long time to get out that graham cracker crust, you know?
I hope not. What you reaching for, baby?
I need to approve the mixture.
Oh, next step, make sure the husband approves the mixture.
I need this.
Is the filling husband approved?
Oh, yeah. It's good.
All right, let's keep going. All right, so I'm adding some graham cracker in the middle so we can have the perfect balance of yogurt, cracker, and then the strawberry filling.
Maybe should have got some bigger cups.
Oh, it's just a little bite, baby. Not too much calories.
You still got to put the strawberries in there. And...
I'm about to put the strawberries in now.
Yeah.
That's it. That's good, right?
Yeah, it's good. It's right.
Good. All right, let's go on. All right, our next step, we got our strawberries in the cup. I have some strawberry glaze. And I'm not going to add too much strawberry glaze because I don't want it too sweet. But this is only 10 calories. So, you know, again, this is low-calorie desserts that I'm making. I think I add a little bit more. Give it a little oomph. That's kind of how that's how it looks.
Let me tell you what's go good with that.
What, baby?
A little bit of graham cracker on top of that. Just a crumble.
Okay, I got you. Baby said a little crumble on top, a little crumble we will have.
Maybe you could push it down too with that. I know.
Doesn't that look so tasty, y'all? Look at that. Look at that. Homemade.
You said we're going to try this one too?
Are we going to... Well, these have to sit so the graham cracker could get a little bit soft.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, it says sit in the refrigerator 10 minutes. So baby said he think we should go ahead and top it off just a little smidget.
I didn't know it was going to be that high.
Look, y'all, we gonna... All you do is take a little piece of cookie, and that right there tops it off.
Yes, that is enough.
And you just make it cute, because it's going to be delicioso. And you know, because I worked hard making these, I deserve a cracker.